Hello students, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn AIN and AMP sound. Now let us see. AIN makes the sound of AIN. AIN makes the sound of AIN. Example: PAIN pain, RAIN rain. Now let us see other words. LAIN lane, PAIN pain, SAIN sane, BAIN bane, GAIN gain, MAIN main, RAIN rain, VAIN vain, BRAIN brain, DRAIN drain, TRAIN train, SPRAIN sprain, STRAIN strain, CHAIN chain, SPAIN Spain, STAIN stain. AMP sound. AM makes the sound of am, but when P is added, it becomes amp. Example: CAMP camp, LAMP lamp. C sound is k, AMP sound is amp, camp, camp, damp, lamp, pamp, hamp, tamp, ramp, vamp, champ, clamp, cramp, scamp, stamp. Thank you.